Hey, you fellow machinists out there. Okay, so this is a 1-inch diameter piece of aluminum. I want to do a full radius on it, like a real nice clean radius. And there's all kinds of stuff out there, but I wanted to show you something that I just recently found out that works fantastic, and I'm gonna show you right now. Bing. Why not use a router bit? It's all carbide. That's for 1-inch radius. Watch this. Excuse the unsteady hand, but we're gonna zoom right in there. Man, does this ever work? So a little more, it just needs a little more there. But so using any radius cutter, right? I'll maybe even remove the bearing if needed. Good to go.